Hey, food lovers and kitchen wizards. Ever wondered how some people make cooking look effortless, futuristic, and downright fun? Today, we're diving into 5 smartest Amazon kitchen gadgets to level up your cooking game. From mind-blowing smart tools to clever gadgets you didn't even know existed.
Number 1. Luzeyo Mixing Bowl. Mixing ingredients can get messy when bowls slide around or feel too small for the job. Luzeyo Mixing Bowl gives your prep work a more controlled space for baking, cooking, and everyday recipes. It helps keep ingredients together while making stirring and combining feel easier. Picture preparing batter or salad without chasing spills across the counter. Number 2. AMZCHEF Pasta Maker. Making pasta by hand can feel complicated when rolling, shaping, and cutting take too much effort. AMZCHEF Pasta Maker helps turn dough into fresh pasta with a more guided process. It makes homemade meals feel more creative without needing a full professional setup. Fresh noodles can go from a weekend idea to something easier to prepare in your own kitchen. That kind of upgrade makes dinner feel more personal. Once pasta becomes easier, cheese preparation becomes the next flavor booster. Number 3. NEWSETS Cheese Grater. Grating cheese by hand can become tiring when the tool feels slow or messy. NEWSETS Cheese Grater helps shred cheese more efficiently for pasta, salads, tacos, and baked dishes. It keeps prep moving faster while reducing the hassle of uneven pieces. A fresh topping becomes easier to add right before serving. That small step can make everyday meals taste more finished. Better grating. Number 4. AIZIYO Dough Mixer. Working dough by hand can be tiring, especially when recipes need consistent mixing. AIZIYO Dough Mixer helps bring flour, water, and ingredients together in a more controlled way. It supports bread, pizza, pastry, and homemade baking routines with less mess. Dough prep starts feeling smoother when the mixing process is not fighting against you. That makes baking feel more approachable during busy days. Once dough becomes easier, a stand mixer can take kitchen prep even further. Number 5. KITOART Stand Mixer. Whipping, kneading, and mixing can take over your kitchen time when everything is done manually. KITOART Stand Mixer gives recipes more steady power while keeping your hands free for other prep. It helps with cakes, bread dough, frosting, and everyday baking tasks. Cooking feels more organized when the mixer handles repeated motions for you.